Statement on Iranian terrorists by the Corporation Central of Iranian Kurdistan Political Party. Ladies and gentlemen, Iran's terrorist liberation guard have issued threats to carry out military operation against bases of Kurdish political parties from eastern Iranian Kurdistan. It will note that this bases host political refugees and civilians, including hundreds of children and women. This refugee and civil have fled the totality regime in Iran to seek refuge in Iraqi Kurdistan. This threat can only be seen as other aspect of the Iranian regime's anti-Kurdish policy. The Iranian regime stands against any progress that the Kurdish people urges. This regime seeks to undermine the progress and development of the KRG. This latest have nothing to do with the location of Iranian Kurdish political parties' bases. The regime in Iran has always pursued an anti-Kurdish policy and will continue to do so in the future. It would not be the first time that the Iranian regime have agents in the military operation and vaulted the borders. This thirst comes at the time when the KRG and Iraq plans to hold an election. The people and the government of the KRG and Iraq together with the international community are all seeking to bring about stability and security to order, have peaceful and democratic election. The Corporation Central of Iranian Kurdistan political parties commend the thirst by the regime in Iran and underlines that if these thoughts are carried out and civilians are targeted, and if this military operation leads to any desecration in the Kurdistan, the Corporation Central will hold the regime responsibly. We ask the international community, the government in Iraq and KRG, the public option, to take a stand against the regime and not allow this to happen. Corporation Central of Iranian Kurdistan Political Party. Thank you so much for everybody come to here. Thank you.
زۆر سپاس بۆ کاک حاتم زەهەنگیری